welcome back to another video. It's your girl Chelse. If you did not know, if you are new to this channel, hi, how are you? If you are old, hey you guys, what's up? Hey Chelse squad, how y'all doing? So today in this video I have a special surprise for you guys. I hope my makeup is looking okay and I'm not looking like a oompa loompa. You know, I do have my window open, so I'm trying to hurry up so that way the lighting looks good enough. If not, you know, I always got my handy dandy ring light just in case. Okay, so like I said, today in this video we are going to, I want to say an unboxing, but I already like unboxed it and everything else, and it's just been sitting here until like the weather is nice. But since everyone's getting so paranoid and very scared about the whole corona, I don't think I might be enjoying this bag anytime soon, but I got it anyway because it was on sale. Because for those that did not know, what was that store? Freaking, oh my god, Lord and Taylor, right? Lord and Taylor was closing down some of their stores and everything else. So, you know, I went in there, I was browsing, had no business in there because I had bills to pay, okay? So I wasn't even supposed to be in there. I was just in there just to look, but then, you know, that whole look thing became into, ooh, I'ma buy it. So that's what happened. But I actually like it though, because this is not, I don't even think he's doing this collection anymore, because I don't even see it online on his website. And I'm just like, yo, we lit. We scored another bag, okay? That bag is another MK bag. Not only is it just the MK bag, but it is Eva. It's called Eva, so I'm not making this up. The name of the bag is Eva, and it's a large tote bag. It's white with neon green stripes down the middle. If you guys didn't know, this was a part of, I'm pretty sure this was a part of the neon collection that MK had. And yeah, it's like you can't even find it in none of the stores. So I'm just like, I don't know if it's like a limited edition or whatever, but if so, hey, like, it's good for me, you know. The receipt, don't know where it's at, but the tag is still on the bag. I know I got this for way less than what the tag itself is, because like I said, Lord and Taylor was closing down, so everything was like 60, 50, 70 to like 40% off. Handbags were between 60 to 20% discounted off and whatever. So yeah, honestly, I wasn't even looking at the discount price. I saw the tag and I was just like, oh, I can get it. And then when I went up there, it was cheaper than that, and I was like, well, look at here. If it ain't God, then I don't know who it is. But I had to get the bag, so I secured the bag. You're welcome. So here is Eva. Okay. Oh, I'm getting dark, so I'm just gonna hide my face. This right here, this bad boy right here is Eva. Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me or no? Hold on. Let me brighten this up real quick so y'all can see me too. Okay. This is Eva, everybody. This is the large tote bag. Okay, like I said, look. Price tag is still on here if I can find it, but it's literally been hanging on my door this whole time. It's been hanging on my door. I got this in, let's see, 2020, so 2019. I got this in 2019. This was probably, I want to say around October, give or take. So this bag has been here this whole time and I didn't even open it. So like, look at this. This was the original price right here. That's the original price, $228. Then they marked it down to, what is that, $114 But when I went to purchase the bag, it was way less than that. It was like freaking, I don't even know, but it was way less than that. And I wish I had the receipt, but when I tell you it was way less than 114, I was sold. Like I had to get it. So I'm gonna just unwrap everything for y'all in person because why not? This bag is so cute. Like I cannot, like, look at it. Comes with its own bags. Secure the bags. Remember that. Okay. So let's see what's inside. I love the color inside. It's super dope. So here is the duster. You know, all MK bags come with a duster. My second one that I showed you on my channel, which I will be leaving a link down below, it came with a duster. My first MK bag didn't because I got it from DSW's. It was legit, I promise you it was. Because you know, I used to work there. So that was my first MK bag. What else it comes? Sorry y'all. It's like, ugh. It's a mess. Okay, so it also comes with like, let me not get makeup on it, child. I rebuke thee. I rebuke thee. I rebuke thee. Okay, so because I'm making a mess. Oh my god, I need to finish. So it comes with a little bag. It has like its own little attachment, you know. Nothing inside, you know. So like you can carry it as like a little clutch or like a little like a wrist wallet or whatever. I'm probably not gonna do that, but I might and I might not. It depends how I'm feeling. So, but I love this color though. It's nice. The color is super dope. This bag is like dirty on the inside, and I don't know why, because I literally just got, well, not like literally just got it, but you know what I mean. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Like, you see how bright this is? Like, you can't lose anything. It also has like, oh my god, I just discovered this. It has like a little pouch, like you could just like stick, I wouldn't say you can like, you know, stick your feminine products, you know, when it's that time of the month, because you know you're gonna see everything. But like, you know, you can have like your hand sanitizer, because you know we all need that because of the coronavirus. So yes, please make sure you guys are washing your hands at all times and spraying yourself down with Lysol before you get inside your house or your car. Thank you. Note to selves, okay? Honestly, there's nothing really I can say about this bag. Like, I think this bag is super cute. This bag is like super dope. I love it. Like, this is like technically my first all white bag. Like, all white everything. But I guess you can like stick your, you know, your feminine products in here if you don't take this out. But yeah. She looking mighty cute and whatever. Trying to be cute and my wig be messing me up. Oh, and by the way, I'm pretty sure it's probably been like 5 months since I did this wig, and if y'all want to see that video, I will be leaving it in the link below. Okay, sis? But there's nothing to the bag. You know, like I said, y'all gotta secure the bag, and I did. Don't be letting these men fool you out here in these streets. Let me show y'all what it looks like standing up. Okay, this bag is huge, y'all. When I tell you it's huge, it is so huge. Like, but I love it though, and that's all I gotta say. So yeah, that was my new bag. I'm probably gonna get another one real soon. I'm praying, because like I've really been saving on this Louis Vuitton Neverfold bag that I really want, like, and this is my birthday gift, you guys. This is my birthday gift. Like, I just want the Louis Vuitton Neverfold, and that's it. That's it. That will complete everything. And after that, I probably want like a nice little Coach pocketbook. I don't know. I'm very bougie and I be balling on a budget sometimes. But yo, it is what it is. Because if you want to spoil me, then you know he can. Whoever that is that's watching. If y'all want to spoil me, you can, okay? You can, okay? I just want to let you know. You want to give me free stuff? You can, okay? I'm just letting you know. The offer stands, okay? It is what it is now. Because, you know, it's 2020. Shoot. People out here hustling, okay? Especially me. I'm out here hustling, trying to get these videos done for y'all, you know? So we can get these subscribe counts going, you know? So we can reach to that goal of mine, which is 1,000 subscribers. Because I know we'll get there. And shout out to you guys for giving me this opportunity and, you know, being on YouTube. I actually like it, and I don't like it. I love it, okay? This is like the best feeling in the world, and I'm kind of proud of myself that I'm actually like pushing myself to doing more videos, even though like they might be horrible, but you live and you learn. And probably 5 years from now, I'll look back and everything else when I have my 1,000 subscribers, and probably more than just 1,000 subscribers 5 years from now. But yeah, you know, I don't know what the future holds, but I hope it's goodness in the future, nothing but roses and, you know, positivity, you know, negative vibes, you know. Yeah, because, you know, this coronavirus is really kicking everybody down, and, you know, I just want to make sure everybody has their heads up, and make sure you guys are praying and washing your hand, and that we will all get through this. And it's, well, I don't want to say that, but we will all get through this, and it's not the end of the world yet. Because at some point it's going to end, but we don't know. But yes, with that being said, give this video a thumbs up if you like this new bag that I'm rocking. Also, make sure you are subscribed to this channel if you love my beautiful content. And without further ado, I'm finished with this video. Me and Eve are out of here, okay? And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all. See y'all later, Chelse Squad. Bye.